Hey guys, coming to you with a Travelers notebook layout. This one is of my little man, Gabriel. He's my youngest. I did go ahead and stamp this because I got this Brilliance Moonlight White ink because Heba from My Little Journal suggested it. She didn't suggest it, but that's what she uses. So I wanted to try it, and I have to say I'm impressed. It's pretty bright is what I had been having problems with. So, see, I'm using your tray, Jojo. But, I do have more, yeah, this is all Citrus Twist. I'll probably be sprinkling in some bits, but, this picture was taken at his field day, in 5th grade, and I just fell in love with how cool he looks, and so I have printed this probably 15 times, and I have no idea where all it's ended up, but this is all a mix from the new and the old kits. Depending on when this goes up, it's anything from September up. If this goes up in October, which I doubt it'll be that late coming up, then it does not have the October kit in it. That's what I'm trying to say here. And I'm doing a play off of the paper where it'll be cut the long ways and then using a little piece over here and a little piece over here. I'm switching this up to be, this was, excuse me, a full sheet at one point, and I cut it. Now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to have not quite the same is what I should say. But I do want my picture matted. Well, I don't know if matted's the right word. On it. How about that? So, move a little bit over. And if you watched one of my previous videos, you would have seen that I skipped this page when I did this one. I, for some reason, messed up and skipped this one in between the two, so I'm going back to the middle there. I popped this out because I just thought it was so cute to have for him. And the color green. And this is obviously a piece of paper, but I'm going to turn it and mat it this way so I can get the little splashes there. I don't know if I should pull you guys in or not. I don't know if that'll help. Excuse me, I don't know why my nose is running. Anyway, this picture fits pretty snug on this page, so I don't want to, I don't want to have it too late. Did I put that? Yes. Good grief. Put everything on crooked. Oh, hold on. I do exactly what I said I didn't want to do. And I brought this piece out. Because I just thought it was so cute. I probably should have saved that bottom, huh? Maybe right. Wonder if I could get it to go this way. Then I have to cut that off. Let me hold off on that. Okay. These I wanted to kind of put over there. I got all kind of ephemera pieces sitting out here. Because I go through my little bucket of them. I keep a little file thing over here of them and just kind of pull them out as I need them. I'm almost out of tape. Yikes. I think I'm going to put this just a little bit crooked. I don't know if I like this little circle here. Take that off. Then I can write, "You sorry joker." That's okay. It's another reason why you have so many different adhesives, in case one runs out. Ooh, I like that. Totally memorable. Oh, you know what? I was going to put this. Probably should start with the bottom pieces. So I was going through the I don't know who these kids are, so one, I apologize if it's one of yours and you're wondering why they're on YouTube. My bad. Second, don't want to cover all my little pieces up there. What was I doing? I don't remember what I was saying. Something, I don't know. I went through the gold words from last month's kit, or well, from September's kit, and I felt like this might be something he would say, because he's never been a big fan of school. So every day I ask him, "Hey, how was your day at school?" And it's always horrible. It doesn't matter. Nothing really matters. It's always a horrible day. So he's just a very negative person. So anyway, I did not glue this down, so I still ask him, you know, "How was your day today?" And I always get the same answer every day, "Horrible." And I always say, "Well, why?" And he'll be like, "I don't know." I'm like, "Okay, so it wasn't really horrible, you just don't know that it's okay to be happy." That's how I feel about it. And I've told him that before, like, "Dude, it's cool, you can be happy. There's nothing wrong with it." He does not agree with me. That's cool. But this was on a Friday, so I thought, hey, let me use this piece right here up, because there's not a whole lot of dates that I remember in general. So to remember one seems pretty cool for me. And then "You be you," because I just like that for him. And then I brought this little pencil out because it was obviously in school. Now, my sprinklies are going to be these Beauty Miss hearts. Oop, about to tear up my heart. Good grief, Charlie Brown. Cut this one, but it's so tiny, it's hard to pick up. Anyway, I like to keep the ones for my boys simple somewhat. I hope you consider this simple. Let's see. I think I'm going to put one of these arrows on here. There we go. These are very, very delicate, but I still love them. Oh, gray right here. Okay, let's put these stars on here. And a dot. Go ahead and use these all up as just some little sprinkly bobs. Okay, I think that's done. I got enough hearts on there. And hope you guys enjoyed. Hope it wasn't too out of frame. I don't know, but keep it nice and simple for him. The picture is very, very dark. He I don't know how the teacher sent it to me, so I'm not sure what kind of camera she had, but I still absolutely adored it. So hope you guys have a great day. See you next time. Bye.